Today's gonna be a fun day.
Let's go.
So what's up, you guys? Thank you for watching another video. Today we're actually gonna be hitting Blackstone, but this time I'm actually gonna be rolling with Balo with the E36 M3. Now, I know last video you guys seen me, the E36 was not fully done. So now, I'm gonna tell you guys what they did. I was gone, I was out of town, so what they did, they actually, the parts for the car actually got here, which was the fan, I think, and the water pump. They replaced all of it, so the car's running perfectly fine now, and it's running good. Of course, they haven't done the paint job or anything, but they're so excited. We're so excited to go drive it out, so we just wanna go drive it out, and that's what we're gonna go do. And yeah, guys, so the car's actually moving, it's running, and yeah, look how clean it looks. Looks clean. Looks so fire. I can't wait till the paint job gets done to it and everything, and the car just looking so mint. But yes, I do apologize because I was not here. I was out of town when they fixed the car. I know you guys were probably waiting for that, but I got you guys with the E36 content. So I'm super excited for you guys to see it, and let's see what we get into today. I hope tonight it gets cracking. So I just can't wait. And then we're here with Brother Drew. Brother Drew's taking his Audi too. Wherever, look at all these cars, bro. Oh, it's cracking today. How many cars there is, bro? Where are we gonna park? We gotta park somewhere like over here. Hey guys, it's cracking today. It's packed. Where's your car? Where's your car? This AMG's fire right here, bro. That's just sick. Guys, this bike is clean. Look at this. Goals. Look at the stretch. Ooh. It's just crazy. Bro, this thing's lowered. Ooh. Woo. That Evo's fire. That shit is clean. Look at you. Look at him. Bro, all these bikes make me want one. That shit's sick. That's a Ducati. It's sick, a whole bike squad. Jared came through with all his homies. That's tight. These are clean. I didn't need one of those. We got a little gatito right here.
Supercharger.
I want to hear it. A whole squad. They're all here. Woo. This is your squad. Crazy. They're all clean, but there's more my style right here. Woo. Bro, this is what I need right here. need that car. Thing's fire. Yeah. Woo. Woo. That's just clean. Ooh, bro. What if one of them falls off? These are sick. I want me one of these. These are sick. Hey, let's see what he got. Woo! There he goes, little. Oh my God, he almost hit them fools. Oh my God. Bro, those flames are huge. God damn. Fucking car.
Rev it, rev it.
I need this car. That's a C63. Go, cops are here. Everybody's dipping, look at Oh! Whoa! Everybody's dipping. This is stealing in the back of the truck. Oh yeah, guys, like we were saying, so we made it to the second spot, which is like 2 lights away, and we hope not to get kicked out, which most likely we are. I think the cops are literally gonna come this way right now, but it's so packed today. All right, guys, we didn't park so far into like over here because if the cops come right now, it would be way easier for us to come out. But it's packed. It's crazy packed. I didn't get it on camera, guys, but I don't know if you guys can see. The Honda rear-ended him. Bro, that sucks. Oh no. Oh. Well, that called the cops.
That one, huh? That one.
Yeah, that had to call the cops.
It's literally just saying cop.
We're going, we're leaving. Oh, the cops are blocking it, bro. Why? Alright guys, I'm gonna try to get it for you guys. Look. So you guys see the cops, they literally park in the front and then force people to turn this way, which is to the freeway, and that way, which is out of Blackstone. But I think they're gonna try to figure it out. Probably people are just like how we did. We went around and we're trying to come back on. So I think people will figure it out. Look how many cars there is. There's so many cars.
There's hella cars.
Look at all these cars.
There's hella cars, brother.
Hey bro, what's that bro beating at?
I don't know. The cops are closing everything down.
You're just driving around.
Everybody's just driving around right now.
You feel like frying or something, Woodward.
That's what I was thinking, but I don't know. There's the cops right here closing everything down, guys. See how they close everything from this side and the other side. They just make everybody go home. Ah, that sucks. All right, Billy.
Alright, sir.
I'll catch you later. Burn them, dip, 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 dip.